Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Gemini for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, your first card, Queen of Pentacles. Let's see your messages. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Swords. Your things are turning in your favor, Gemini. And Ten of Swords means some cycles are going to be end and some new beginnings in your life in relationship wise. Or for some there is endings also. But I think it is positive most of you, because Wheel of Fortune is here in recent past. Maybe things are turning in your favor if it is not in near future, definitely things are turning in your favor and you are waiting for the right time. And Queen of Pentacles, the one, I think you are more giving and more sharing and more caring person in this connection. But some painful endings in this connection. For some, there are new beginnings. Definitely things are turning in your favor. Energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see some more. Devil, the Moon, Page of Wands. Yeah. So for some, definitely there is some deception in this connection, some obsession. The Devil, your person could be Capricorn also. One person is obsessed with other person more, or you both obsessed with each other, or one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. The Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. I think your person maybe hide something from you. Your person could be Pisces also. Definitely there are some illusions between both of you. Think trust issues I'm getting for some. For some it could be third party also. Your person maybe hide something from you. Some disagreements between both of you. Page of Wands, definitely one person is younger than the other person, and one person in this connection is very beautiful and good looking. And some communication, one person is want to communicate. Yeah, Page of Wands, they're willing to communicate. Let's see some more. Hermit, Nine of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, I think one person in this connection is spiritual awakening right now. Yeah. Hermit, your person could be Virgo. Definitely this person is isolated from all and thinking about the other person a lot, and spiritual awakening. They are not talking to their person right now. There is no contact between you and your person. And yes, definitely during the spiritual awakening, definitely this person is thinking about the other person a lot and not sleeping at night times. This person is in depression, anxiety. It could be your person. But who's this person is definitely overcoming this pain and transfers into this. I think it's you. You stand by your power. Finally things are turning in your favor. Gemini, you are very sad for the separation or whatever happened between both of you. For some it could be painful endings. For some it could be new beginning also. But before new beginnings, you stand by your power. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. It's not be single, but you stand by your power emotionally and financially. Yeah, you are now stable. Let's see some more. Energy could be vice versa. Okay, I think it's you, Gemini. Three of Cups, the Sun, wow, and Three of Swords. But your person may be heartbroken this time, because you stand by your power, you overcome the pain. After you stand by your power, they realize you both. After the separation, maybe after no contact, they realize you were both. Definitely you are very, very happy now. You are for some your person want reconciliation with you, because the Sun with Three of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation. They're heartbroken without you. Yeah, they're feeling very, very pain without you. They're very sad. For some it could be third party. That's why the separation is happened between both of you. But finally you stand by your power. I think the one person who put a lot of effort, caring, giving person is you, Gemini. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy also here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What is going? Gemini, your person current feelings towards you. First card, Empress, Justice. See, 2 times the Devil. I think your person may be obsessed with you. They're thinking about a lot, I think, because they addicted to you. They want second chance. Definitely they waiting for second chance. And Empress, yeah, they seeing like you. Empress, you stand by your power. They seeing like you this, yeah, they want second chance, but they are obsessively thinking about you. Here the Devil 2 times. You person, or you could be Capricorn also. Definitely they want second chance. But here some obsession, some deception I am getting under the deck. 5 of Pentacles. Definitely for some there is separation between both of you. I think in past your person may be showing some cold showering. That why you walked away. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, 5 of Swords reverse. It came reverse. Okay. Yeah, definitely they want disputes. They want to end the disputes between both of you. They want reconciliation. 5 of Swords in reverse. Definitely they want harmony with you. Yeah, they want harmony. And definitely they want passionate new beginning. Ace of Wands. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely they want passionate new beginnings with you. And Knight of Pentacles. Definitely they are coming towards you, but it is very slow moving energy, Gemini. Yeah, they're willing to take action, but they will take action definitely, but it is slow moving energy. Okay. Yeah, they are very, very passionate about you. They want harmony with you. They want reconciliation. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So energy could be vice versa. Okay. Judgment. 3 of Wands from this deck. Three of Pentacles, King of Swords. Yeah, waiting. Already I told you Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. Definitely there is some waiting. I think your person may be waiting for the right time. I think Wheel of Fortune is there. Definitely your person waiting for the right time to come towards you, because some waiting is here. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Judgment. Definitely your person wants second chance. For some you are also want to give second chance to your person. 3 of Pentacles. Definitely there is some collaboration because this is mutual energy. Definitely you both want to work on this relationship. But one person in this connection is very honest and straightforwarded. It is you, Gemini. You want to give clarity to your person. Definitely for some there is reconciliation. You both want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All energies are here. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Gemini, 2 of Wands, the Star, and Hierophant, and 4 of Swords. Yeah, I think I already told you one person undergoing some spiritual awakening, not talking to other person. It's you, Gemini. Definitely you are thinking about your person a lot, but not talking to. Definitely your person will approach for second chance. And yeah, you want commitment. The Star, still you are hoping for this connection, or your person may be seeing you like a star. You or your person could be Aquarius. And 2 of Wands. This could be long distance. You are thinking about your person a lot. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. 6 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Emperor. Yeah, definitely they want to offer long-term commitment, stability this time. And 9 of Pentacles, definitely they want to stand by their power, because the Emperor and 9 of Pentacles, definitely this time they will become honest. I am getting in past, maybe they didn't. Now they want to become, they want to be honest with you. They want to be honest. 6 of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer equal give and take this time. In past there is no equal give and take, but now your person want to offer equal give and take, Gemini. They want second chance. Gemini, it's up to you to give second chance or not. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting my videos. Bye. Thank you.